So what we're gonna start, we gotta measure the dimensions on this jack shaft. Of course, we can't go off of that side. We're screwed there. So I'm gonna go off this will be the front side of the jack shaft. This is the lower jack shaft on a W.H.O tub grinder. And we gotta measure the distance from here to here. Either memorize it or write it down. So now I go get a pen and a piece of paper out of my truck. And then we'll take that out of the way. And then we'll measure to the other one, the same area. And then we'll write that down. Because when we go back together, no two are the same. Sometimes they're a little bit to the front, sometimes they're a little bit to the back. But if you don't space them correctly, you won't have enough room for that bearing there to sit correctly on the outside here. You won't have enough room between that bearing housing and the coupler, or your shaft won't go all the way through the bearing housing. That's incorrect. One or the other. A lot of different things can happen, so you gotta get it correct. It's just kind of a go off what was there, if it's salvageable. If not, you have to guess and try it a few times. So we'll go from here now, and that's 9.5 inches. Dimension 1, 9.5 inches. Inside of the bushing, there's an Allen wrench. You can't see it. It's a little dark. We don't have the best light. So you gotta get that Allen wrench. It's not an Allen wrench, it's a set screw. But it's an Allen head. Usually 1/4 inch. Back it off. After that, see this split in the bushing here? Gotta open that up and you can slide it out. So we get the old flat blade screwdriver and wedge it just like that. Since it's dirty, it's going to be a little bit hard to get out. Don't go sticking a freaking chisel or something in there. You split this fucker open and then it's shot, because you can actually reuse these. I'm not going to reuse them. I'm going to put new ones in, but I'm just showing it for the sake of maybe this wasn't available and you gotta reuse the old one. That's good enough right there. Wedges itself out a little bit now and then. That's it. Then you get your screwdriver back. Once again, it's an F series, 3 15/16, which is the size of the shaft. Okay, dimension 2. Okay, another thing to notice. That one was that way. If you look in there, the other one's facing the other way. When you get these shivs on, these are tapered shivs. Tapered bushing and a tapered shiv. Right here, it's the old one. Gotta put them, you can only put them on the right way, one way. You can put them on the wrong way, we ain't gonna have a very good time. So pay attention to what you're doing. So what I want you to do, Shana, is go ahead and draw a rough picture. Shiv pointing out that way. Basically the shivs are going outward. So that's a good rule of thumb.
So basically the straw was right there?
Yeah. Since I'm gonna have to probably use a chop saw or something to cut. I'm just gonna cut that shaft off. Then I'll have to press this coupler off. So help me God, because that's gonna be a mess with how hot that got. Either way, we'll go dimension 2. I've been doing this type of shit so many years. I just throw shit around and I remember where it is. But it's a good idea to go ahead and maybe set things. That one was pointing that direction. This one's pointing that direction. I don't know. Everybody does it different. That is 18. Dimension 2, 18. 18 inches. You don't have to draw that detailed.
Well, not really, just
Alright, so for now that's where we're at. That'll be video 2. Just showing you how that goes, how to take that bushing off. And then when we come back, I'll probably have this taken apart, shivs off. Probably the only thing that'll be left is here out. This shit is not light, so be careful. That's probably still a good 100 pounds or so right there.